As we agreed in the last meeting in November that we should register KDDA as a CBO, this project has been on since 2010 or 2011, if I can rightly remember. But finally, with God's willing and God's grace, we accomplished it in 2017, December. In Sierra Leone, it's not like UK, where you just go to the Charity Commission and register. We registered KDDA in Kwedu New Sembang City. We registered it with the district council, the Kono District Council, and we registered it with the Social Welfare, Gender and Children's Affairs as a CBO. CBO means community-based organization. Unfortunately, all these registrations are to be renewed annually. So which means we need to think as an organization to budget some money. It's not a huge sum. If you go onto the website, on those pictures I actually took, they are very good. It's transparency. There's a big poster there with all the prizes on the board. So generally, if you don't want to bribe anybody, you can just pay that money, but it will take time. Ours was done within 3 days. Okay, so we now have KDDASL. I've given the list to the secretary, their chairperson. Now, how did that come about? When we went, Dr. Gemba, Mr. Ba, and Mr. Bori, they gave me names of people that I should contact. So I contacted those people, and I even text the one you said, the service levy?
Oh, Barnes Levy.
Yeah. So I contacted them, and I told them about this occasion, that when we do the presentation, after that, there will be this meeting for the KDDA. So people came. Unfortunately, some people didn't turn up, but we had, well, the people who turned up, I think, out of them, I think I just knew about 3 or 2 people there. So after the presentation of the medicines, we had a meeting. Initially, it was chaired by Reverend Amara and Mr. Kobato, because I was busy with the paramount chiefs. So then they elected, they selected, or they appointed their own chairperson, who is Mr. Alex Nyanemo. Then their secretary. Have you got the list? Okay. There's a list. We have a list of the executive.
With the attendance list, there was 21 people who attended. The attendance list is here.
Yeah. So I've actually asked Mr. Nyanemo to send me the full list of their executive plus their email and telephone numbers. Yeah. So this is this is the attendance list. Okay. I know some members of KDDA UK were querying that the people who were the trustees, they were all Konos. That was not true. They were all not Konos. Okay.
Is it possible to read out the names?
Yes, I've got Martha C. Lewis, Randolph Levy, Mary C. Philip, Mehi C.C. Aliu, Michael Suku, Sir Patrick Moyo, Alan Moko, Matthew Pomba, Margaret Suluku, Mary Soboy, Reverend Sylvester Amaram, Anna Bangali, Alex Nyanemo, Ali Mansare, Abubakar Mansare, Bonda, Kobatondone, Justin Tankai, Tamko, I remember that. myself, Elizabeth Tondone, and Alex Mansare. Okay. So these were the attendees on the 3rd of January 2018. So out of this list, they elected. This list composed of civil society, charity workers, project workers, some farmers, some university students. It was a mixture. Okay? I don't know most of them. I don't know. Majority of them, I don't know them anyway. So they formed their cabinet. I think they've met now 4 times, and they've decided that their registration will be £20. Then their monthly fees will be, I think, 20,000 rather. I'm getting confused with the money. Their money will be 20,000 for the registration or monthly fee. I've been calling Mr. Alex Nyanemon, but it's very difficult and very costly to call Konon. So I've told him to email, but the thing is, as I said, email in Konon is very expensive. So what he does is, he rings Freetown and he takes to his younger brother and he emails me. So he asked for the logos to be sent, and I said, I can't send the logos to his brother. I will only send it to him. But unfortunately, he can't download them because when he goes, he went once and he paid about 100,000 liras and he couldn't even download the logos. So I said, I'm really sorry, because if I send those logos to your brother, yes, you get them on his laptop, but the thing is, what if your brother used those logos for something else? So that's where we are. So they have their email, which our website man here is info@kdda.sl.com. So sl.com. So the email is there, and we are going to talk later on in the trustee forum to set up a website for them. So they have the logo, they have an email, that's it. But they were asking, can we support them, because they want to be part and parcel of this group. So I said, I'll bring the message and for us to deliberate. But communication with them in Konon is painful. Yeah. Don't you think it's time now for you guys to have KDDA in Sierra Leone, to have your office so that you give instruction for it to be done? These were the chiefs saying, when we went to the meeting, they said, how come you know, look at you and your wife, you're up and down, we're all laughing. Well, yes, they're laughing, but you know, you understand, we are up and down all day for 2 weeks. So saying, if you had your branch here, they would have done all the logistics for you guys. But it was very difficult. It was time
to go and deliver letters. We were driving all over Kwedu.
Yeah, but that was very nice. After 20 years, I traveled a lot of places in Kwedu. So for me, yes, it was difficult, but I enjoyed it. The Freetown bit, I didn't enjoy it. You understand? But the Kwedu bit, we delivered letters by hand. We saw so many places that I've not seen since I was in secondary school in the 1970s. So it was good.
Did you get the chance to speak to any other civil society organizations?
Went to the office. Yeah.
Which one?
The main one in this guy, the one that you asked.
NMJD?
Yeah.
A network movement?
Yes.
Okay.
So we went there. The office, well, it's a Sierra Leone standard. So we went there. They also came. One of their members, in fact, is part of this KDDASL as a trust, as an executive member. So they were also happy. They supported. They came. You know. Yeah. So most people were there.
Are they ready to work with KDDASL?
KDDA is just, it's a prime name in Konon. I'm telling you. Because even that day, Siaporoma actually sent a message. I don't know how she heard about it, or over the radio, I don't know. But she also sent a message to congratulate KDDA, saying that we are doing a very good job, you know.